How to create a profile. Tap Profiles. Tap New Profile. Choose an avatar. Tap a title for your profile. Add a description. Save the profile. Tap the Home Tiles icon. Tap Measurement. Tip: tap and hold to choose, modify, or add all the necessary parameters. Tip: customize the parameters to easily identify each one. Tip: tap the plus icon to add new parameters. Tap the Home Tiles icon to return to the home screen. Tap Profiles. Tap the Acutronic Fabian ventilator profile. Tap Update to save the current configuration in the Acutronic Fabian ventilator profile. Tap the Home Tiles icon. Tap Measurement. Tap the Measurement menu to confirm the selected profile.